Hello students, we are going to continue our topic models. Today we will discuss about our next model that we will discuss in the point of necessity. So in this video we will know which models are used to show the necessity of an action. So in this point of necessity we have to look this only in present tense. So necessity must be seen only in sentence of present tense. So if the given sentence is in present tense, in that sentence we can see necessity of an action. And what is the second point? At least two sentences must be given to find necessity of an action. It means if in the question there is only single sentence, so there we cannot find the necessity of an action. At least two sentences must be given to find necessity of an action. Now the necessity must be given only in present tense, so necessity may be in affirmative sense, otherwise in positive sense, otherwise in negative sense. If the necessity is in positive, otherwise affirmative sense, in case to show necessity, to describe the necessity, we use must model. If the given sentences are two in a single question, then we have option to find the necessity. Out of two sentences, in one sentence, otherwise in one part of the question, we are said to write a model according to the given situation. Another sentence that is written with a verb. So find the tense of the verb. If the given verb presents to present tense, in case there we have an option to find the necessity. If the necessity of an action is necessary to be done, in case we write must model. If there is a negative sense, otherwise it is not necessary to be done such type of action, we write need not, otherwise we can use must not also. But first of all we give the preference to need not in the sense of negative. If the sense is affirmative, then we give the preference to must. Now we have the examples. Today is very hot. Today is very hot. So you space wear a coat, otherwise jacket, otherwise woolen cloth. So in this question we have two parts of the sentence. The one part is today is very hot, and after so we write another subject, it is you, and this portion ends with coat verb. Now in the one part we are said to write a model according to the given sentence with a verb. So here the given sentence with a verb, in this part of the sentence we have the verb is. Is represents to present tense. If it represents to present tense in the such type of question, we can see necessity of an action. So what type of action we have to see for necessity? So in this question we are said to see necessity about wearing a coat, So a coat is worn when it is winter season. If it is winter season, then we need a coat to protect us from cold airs. But in the portion of another part, we have today as a hot day. If the day is hot, then we need a wear a coat, otherwise we do not need a wear of a coat. If the day is hot, then we do not need to wear a coat. So it is a negative sense giving sentence. If the negative sense giving sentence, then we give the preference to need not. So we write here need not. So in the such type of condition we can use need not, must not, otherwise must. It depends on the necessity of an action that you can see in the second part of the sentence. Thank you.